Okay, folks, hello. This is the sound guy for you. Back with another mic test, and this time I'm going to be testing out the Rode VideoMicMe, which is made especially for using with smartphones. And I have my Galaxy S9 Plus, which it gets good video and it takes great pictures. The audio recording part of it though isn't that great, but of course I've got a lot of different microphones that I use, and but there's only a few of them that I can actually plug into my S9 Plus. One of them being the VideoMicMe. Um, and as everybody knows, or most people know, that the audio on smartphones just does not cut it. It's not as clear. It doesn't have as high a fidelity as a lot of condenser mics that are on the market. But uh, this mic, as I mentioned, I've had it for quite some time, and it works pretty good. Which this is it right here. Uh, this is the VideoMicMe. Okay, there you go. Now you can read it. Uh, VideoMicMe, made in Australia, and this has got an all metal uh, case to it here, so it's pretty rugged and pretty durable. But I'm going to go ahead and test this now. I'm going to pause the video and plug this in, and you can tell me what you think the difference is. Okay, I'm back, and I've got the VideoMicMe plugged into my phone and recording with it, and hopefully the audio is going to be a lot better. Um, the only thing I'm not really absolutely pleased about with this microphone is it's just a mono mic, which doesn't make any difference if it is mono or stereo, because I cannot record stereo with it with my smartphone. As I mentioned in previous videos, if you plug a stereo microphone into uh, my Galaxy S9, it will only record it in mono, which I suppose that's, uh, it doesn't really make any difference depending on what kind of a video you want to make. If you're wanting to make one that's got stereo sound or recording a band or something, you might want to have it in stereo, but a lot of people probably wouldn't worry about that. Another thing that I realized with this microphone is that I found out that in order to use this mic with my smartphone, probably any smartphone I would think, is before you can record with it, you have to put your phone in airplane mode. And because I found out that if you don't do that, then what happens is you get interference into the audio track, and I'm not sure why that is. If it's it causes interference with the phone line of the smartphone, and then it causes it to make noise. It makes some kind of clicking noise or something, which is it kind of ruins the audio. But I realized that, okay, well, if I don't want that to happen, maybe it's because of the phone interference. Uh, the phone line causing interference. So I did try to put it in airplane mode, and it worked. I didn't have any more problem with recording with this. So that's what I've got my phone in right now, is airplane mode. But anyway, this is the difference. I'm sure that you folks are noticing the difference now in the audio as compared to when I first started this video, which I was recording with the uh, the microphones that are built in with my Galaxy S9 Plus. So and also, as I mentioned in previous videos, um, if a microphone that you're using, if it's whether you have it plugged into a smartphone or if you plug it into, like a separate digital recorder, which I do sometimes. I have a Tascam DR22WL, which I use to record videos, or I mean audio. If I want to have a stereo audio track, I'll plug it into that, and then I'll download it onto my phone, and then I can then tweak it with um, the. I have an app called the Lexus Audio Editor, and it does a wonderful job of being able to tweak. You can raise the bass level and the treble level with a graphic equalizer that they include. And you can also even amplify the sound at the same time. And plus, there's other effects that you can do with it. It's got a noise canceling, noise reduction feature to it. But anyway, I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys, maybe this helped you guys out if you were thinking about maybe switching to using a VideoMicMe for your smartphone. And let me know what you think. And if you like this video, it's been helpful, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of the day.